Good morning. So the sun is up and so am I. I'm almost completely ready to go do that 18 kilometers walk slash hike. But first, gotta feed these bitches. Home sweet home. 4 hours, 19 kilometers, 11.8 miles. Whew. Short break. Then I'm gonna take a shower and headed to the kitchen to prepare everything for the picnic. My legs are killing me, but I feel amazing. I hope you will ever get a chance to walk the same path that I did, especially in today's weather. I got a feeling that I'm a little bit red right now because of the sun. I feel great. Everything for the picnic is set, and from now on there probably won't be any clips, but there will be pictures. So see you after the picnic is over. Because I mean, I would bring the camera down there, but you know how people don't like to be filmed or anything, but if you take a picture or two, they don't mind, so yeah. Just a short notice, the picnic is a blast. I mean, whew, lots of people, lots of good company, lots of beer, lots of food, lots of beer, lots of food. So yeah, good day. I'm feeling very happy, and it's a success, and I like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. I mean for today. I know I won't sleep until I get the cat indoors. We released him out and now he's not coming in, and I'm nervous and I'm scared, and I hope that I will manage to get him inside. I mean, it's almost 11, so yeah. If the cat won't be inside by the time I go to sleep, I'm not gonna sleep at all. Thankfully, tomorrow is a holiday, it's a day off. So, the question for today: how much spare change do you have? Frankly, sorry, I don't know. I don't even know where my wallet is, so I can't tell you that. But you, if you know the answer, write it in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Good night.